Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In today's video I share with you how to make a very simple and tasty Ghana Shito or black chili sauce. And please remember to subscribe, like and also share for more amazing recipes. So to begin with, I've already prepped and washed 4 large onions, and I'll also be adding some ginger and garlic. So I'll go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces and I'll transfer them into the blender, and once it's done I'll also add some few other ingredients before blending. To the chopped onions, I'll add a handful of garlic, ginger, cloves, aniseeds, and fennel seeds. I'll continue by adding some dry rosemary, Calabash Nutmeg and Hwentia, grain of Selim, and I'll add a good amount of oil. It's totally optional, but you can also use water in place of the oil. I'm using the oil because it helps the blended onion cooks faster. So I'll go ahead and blend it into a paste. Next, I've heated my oil and I'll transfer the onion paste. Once it's done, I'll continue by stirring it and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring continuously on a medium heat. So at this point, the onion have been cooking for a while now. I'll go ahead and add hot chili powder and I'll continue stirring. Next, I'll continue by adding herring powder and also shrimp powder, and I'll continue to stir. I'll now add a tablespoon of vegetable seasoning and I'll keep stirring. And at this point, I'll continue by stirring it on a low heat until it's well done for another 5 minutes. So at this point, our shito is all done. Very simple and delicious. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up, like and share if you enjoyed this recipe. So I'll now leave it to cool and settle down, and it's all done. Thank you all so much for watching this recipe, and please, if today is your first time watching my channel, thank you all so much for your support. Please consider watching my other recipes and I hope you will like them as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye and have a blessed week.